English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 15. Recap, most frequent. It is good. People understand it. What sounds more native? So far so good. So far so good. I am going now. That works fine. What sounds more casual? On my way. On my way. Do not worry. People say this often. Anything more natural? No worries. No worries. I understand. That works too. What sounds more casual? I know what you mean. I know what you mean. A little more. That sounds odd. What should I say? Almost there. Almost there. Is it true? People say that. What sounds more native? For real? For real? I forgot. This is common. What sounds more casual? Totally slipped my mind. Totally slipped my mind. There is no problem. That works fine. What sounds better? We are good. We are good. Let us hurry. That sounds formal. What sounds more natural? Let us go. Let us go. I am tired. People understand it. Anything more casual? I am done. I am done. I did not know. That works too. What sounds more native? Had no idea. Had no idea. That is good. People say this often. What sounds more casual? I like that. I like that. Next time. That works fine. What sounds more natural? Maybe next time. Maybe next time. Are you okay? People say this too. What sounds more casual? You good? You good? I go home now. People understand it. What sounds better? I should get going. I should get going. So far so good. So far so good. On my way. On my way. No worries. No worries. I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Almost there. Almost there. For real? For real? Totally slipped my mind. Totally slipped my mind. We are good. We are good. Let us go. Let us go. I am done. I am done. Had no idea. Had no idea. I like that. I like that. Maybe next time. Maybe next time. You good? You good? I should get going. I should get going. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.